First thing I'm going to show you is how to use the garbage bin. The one on the left is the bio. Everything has to go into a special green bag. You put it in there and it's in good shape. And this is the gray bin or the black bin for everything else. You can park your car anywhere you like. There's a couple options here and there, and another couple options here. Of course, you can park your car here as well. The oven, well, you turn this on by clicking this option first, which is here on the left. Now it's turned on. Now you click on whichever one you like to use. For example, let's use the one on the right and front. For that, you click on this guy first. As you can see, there's an underline. Now you say, you know what, I want 7, which means it's quite high. From out of 9, it's going to be quite powerful, and it's going to burn and probably cook whatever you're cooking in a very fast way. This is the air, which sucks all the air from the whatever you're cooking, and that is controlled again from this middle number. If you press this button, and then now there's an underline. Now you can say, let's say, you know, I want to have lots of exhaust, air exhaust. It's number 9, that's going to be too much. You can say, you know what, I don't like you. You can ignore it and make it 0. That should be fine. So once you're done, you click on this button again, and it should shut down. Don't forget, it may take a while before whatever it was heating is completely cold. That's why it says H, showing you that probably it's not a good idea to touch those places yet because of the electrical heating. The refrigerator is not a big deal. Sometimes you leave the door open, or sometimes you leave this door open. If that's the case, you will hear a beeping sound. If you hear a beeping sound, click this alarm button and it should shut down the beeping sound. Now I'm going to show you how to go to the garden. In order to do that, you use this handle on the left, not the one on the right. Anyway, you come here, you hold this, you make a left, and then if you only keep it like this, it's not going to work. Now you should continue, and if you again do it like this, you will only have this window feature, which is probably what is not we are interested in yet. So continue down and back. Now make a left. There you go, we opened it. It's great. If you wanted to close it, watch out, we're making a right. Again like this. Make it a bit faster here. Boop. It does this, right? Now go up. Watch the distance, it is closed perfectly. We are in good shape. In order to use this sofa as a bed, you go down, you pull it like this. Now the second option, you do that, and then it automatically does this. Wow, you have a really good bed for 2 people. Additional pillows and things like that for a 5th person or whatever. This is again the master bedroom. We were talking about the balcony door earlier, and open this one. Oh, you can use all these things, additional stuff. To use the bathroom, normally you use this if you wanted this water, which probably you don't. You probably want this one, which does that. Wow, amazing! And then if you do this, wow, that does the raining option, which is also good. And this is how you shut it down. If you didn't like the temperature, you could play with this. Don't turn too much. Turn it a little bit, because it is an infinity turning. It always turns. Maybe now it's becoming a bit warm. If you go clockwise, it will become colder. So I think it's in a warm state now, but you can make your choice. It has to stay like this after you're done in order to get rid of the excess water ASAP. If you were to leave it like this when you were done, it would almost drip for the next 12 hours, which nobody likes. Do this, and the excess water you will get rid of in 5 minutes or so. In order to use the washing machine, put your dirty clothes in there. Put some detergent here and some softener on the right. Now, ein means turned on. I'm gonna turn off just on purpose. So make sure it's turned on. Put your things in there. Close the door. It says ein. Ein means turned on. Now, I would probably select somewhere in the 40 whatever, but again, you can almost understand what's going on here. Probably I would select, generally speaking, to be on the safe side, I guess 40. You know, as you can see, it just started taking water. If you want to shut it down, make a right and only continue in the clockwise direction and say ende. Ende means end. Now it ended. I'm not sure if it will open. Yes, there you go. This is the tur. Tur means door, and it opens the door. We are in good shape. In order to use the dryer, put your things in here, and then continue to maybe echo. I don't know, however you would prefer to do this. And then select the right option. And I believe you're going to say start here, which is this button here. You say start, and it starts turning. It just was turning. That should be good. I'm going to turn it off again by doing this, which gets rid of this light.